Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're unboxing the Nuu Mobile G3. This is a new colour to the UK. It's a ruby red one. I believe they've just started selling it this week. I'll put a link down in the description. And I've been kind of looking forward to this one. From the pictures that I've seen, it's a beautiful looking colour. So we're going to get into this. Right, so I'll have a quick look at the specifications on the back of the box. So as you can see, 5.7 inch IPS display, HD plus one, dual rear cameras, 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel, 13 megapixel front camera, dual SIM, standby 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal memory, 3000 milliamp hour battery, and so far specifications are quite good for this phone, especially for this price. I've had my eye on the blue one for quite a long time, just not got round to getting it yet, but on the outset I'll just say Nuu Mobile sent me this phone. They also sent me some cases, which we're going to go through all these cases in another video, and a screen protector as well. Got a couple of those. So first of all, let's start off by unboxing this. Leave that to one side. Right. Struggles. Right, so first of all we're presented with the device. So we're going to lift that out. We're going to have a look at that in a minute, see what else we get in the box first. So first of all, we've got your get starting guide. Comes with all the information you need. So we've got that. We've also got, by the looks of it, get it out, a gel skin case. So get the wrapping off. So nice clear case, flexible. It's got a dot matrix pattern inside, so you won't get all the rainbow effects on the back of the phone, so you can really show off the beauty of the phone. So leave that to one side. Got the power adapter brick. I'll just have to change that over for the UK one. We've got, okay, it's a headphone dongle, and this will be the charging lead. There you go, USB Type C, even on the £200 phone, and your SIM ejection tool. So we're going to put this to one side. Right, so let's unwrap the phone. Put that to one side. Already you can start to see the red, so I'm going to get that out in a minute. So okay, so have we got anything different on the front here? So MediaTek octa-core processor. And not to forget, we've also got fingerprint sensor on the back as well. Right, so let's get this these stickers off. I've been looking forward to this. Oh, look at this. Let me get this other sticker off quickly. Man, look at that. Look at the shine. This is beautiful. Oh, this is really, really nice. So let's quickly go around the phone. So at the top you've got your SIM tray, all down the side, nothing. At the bottom you'll have your microphone and speaker, USB Type C port, and on this side you've got your volume buttons, really nice and clicky, and you've got a textured power button, as you can see there. really tactile, clicky buttons. Let's take this off. I think we better get this thing started up. See what the screen's like. So, yeah, it's I really like this colour. Let's give it a bit of a clean. So let me put some of my information in. We'll come back and we'll have a look at it. Right, so I've got all my information in. I thought I'd just give another look at the back on this phone. It is such a beautiful colour. So, and yeah, that's not the only thing that's really good as well. Open it up, look at that display. But I mean, look at that, absolutely lovely. So go into settings, system, about phone. So we've got Android 8.0 and security patch 5th of October. I haven't checked for any updates yet. That's something I'll let's see if there's any updates for it yet. Just quickly while I think about it. So the software is currently up to date, so that's brilliant. But I mean, it's a beautiful display. So you can get a video up, check out what the speaker's like, see how good the display and the speakers are. So the bottom firing speaker. And get a full screen. Let's turn up the volume a bit. That's really loud, as you can hear. Very good. It's only bottom firing, like I say, but it's a very good. It gets nice and loud. So the cameras, let's have a quick look at what we've got in here. So I've not looked for any of this yet. So we've got mono. I think we've got pro mode. Do you know what? We've got pro mode as well. Look at that. I genuinely didn't expect it from this device. I just thought it'd be a basic camera setup, and that was it. But that's not, you know. Let's get something on the table just to have a look at it. Looks like there's good detail from it. Focusing, panoramic, it's also beauty mode, portrait. So supposed to be able to zoom in a bit as well. Not bad at all. I'm just video. Let's have a quick look. Video quality. So you can get full HD, 1080p. Just brilliant. White balance, image properties. You actually get some really good settings in this. Actually, it's not bad. So what we've got in the photo, so picture size, obviously up to 30 megapixels, 16 by 9. Look at all these settings. I'm gonna have fun with this thing. This is not bad at all. And the screen looks really sharp. I don't know if it's coming across on the camera very well, but it looks really good. I'm actually really impressed with it. You've got HDR, and toggle that on and off. You've got all your usual filters for Instagram and whatnot. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this phone so far. I'm going to use it for a few days and I'm going to come back to you. I'll go through some settings. As I say, I've got some cases and screen protectors to go. So I've got loads of cases. So I'll do another video on those. So hit that like, share and subscribe button. Click your bell notification so you get a notification when my next video comes up. And keep well for now. So that was the unboxing of the new G3 in ruby red. I'll leave a link down in the description, but the price, they've actually dropped the price from £219.99 to £199.99 at the moment. I don't know how long that's on for, but I mean, it's so far I'm really liking this phone. So I'll come back to you with my thoughts and everything at a later date. Don't forget we've got cases and I've got a screen protector as well. So I'm gonna do another video on those as well. So that's it for now. All the very best. I hope to see you again soon. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get hopefully you get notified when my next video comes up. All right, bye for now.